Hey, what's up? Aaron here. Hope you're doing well. If you're watching this video right now, you might be checking out Tik Gain, and maybe you're wondering, can you really make money with this particular app? Okay, let's check it all out. Let's find out whether this is real. Is this a good way for you to make money online, or are there better ways out there? Now, Tik Gain is basically a little app that you can download, and it's mainly for the Android. All right, so if you're an iPhone user, unfortunately, you can't use this. But you can come here, and there are a lot of people talking about this app right now. And essentially, all it is it says that you can make money just by watching videos and video ads. That's all, right? Now, if you come here to their website, you can download it from the Google Play Store. You can see that there are a lot of downloads, 1 million downloads. All right, and the reviews are pretty high, 4.4 star. But we're going to talk about that a little bit in a second, right? So just keep remember that for now, and we will talk about that in a second, right? So how this works is when you download the app. And you can do this from pretty much anywhere in the world, as long as you have an Android phone. You can download the app, and as soon as you download it, you can start watching all these little videos that you can see here. All sorts of different videos. And as you watch them, you're going to watch videos and you're going to watch ads as well. All right. Now, that's how these guys make their money. They make money from you watching ads. But just understand that that's okay as long as you're really getting paid. All right. So we'll talk about that in a second, whether you're really making money or not. Now, as you're watching the videos, you're going to see that you're going to get these little points, right? Every time you watch a video and then you watch a video ad, you're going to get these coins added to your account. And once you get these coins added to your account, you can convert them into real money, okay? Real cash. So you convert these coins into rewards, and then you can withdraw. Now, there are a couple of red flags here that I want to mention. If you've ever used this app before, you're going to see that you can start adding money really quickly. That means that when you get the coins, you can convert them into cash very easily, right? So you're going to add up to $5, $10, $15, $30 pretty quickly, right? Now, I've been doing this for a long time. I've made hundreds of thousands of dollars online. I've reviewed, I've tested a lot of apps, a lot of strategies to make money on the internet. And from my experience, any sort of ad watching app that pays you as aggressively as these guys pay you is a red flag. Okay, I know that sounds weird, but I've been doing this for a long time. I've reviewed so many different types of ads and even a lot of these video watching apps, right? And for the most part, they will never be able to pay you that much money because they don't make that much themselves. So the way that these guys, the creators of this app, they make money is from getting a lot of people just to watch ads. Now, when they watch the ads and they serve the ads to you, they make money on the back end. You don't see this, of course, because you're just a user, right? But they make money by you watching these ads. Now, they don't make that much money from people watching ads, so it's impossible for them to pay you so much, right? So anytime I test an app and I see that you're making so much money just by watching a few videos, it doesn't make sense. The monetary value that you're making versus what you're doing, which is just watching videos, it doesn't add up. All right. So for me, that was a massive red flag. Okay. So let's just keep going, right? And so as you're watching these videos, the point you want to get to is where you can withdraw. Okay. Now, when you try and withdraw from this app, the strange thing is that when you first withdraw, it only costs you 1 cent to withdraw, okay, of your local currency. That means that as soon as you start watching videos, if you want to withdraw to your PayPal, or you want to, exchange it for a Visa card, or a Visa or a Master prepaid card, you can do it with just 1 cent, 0.01 cent, okay, very, very easily. And they'll actually pay you that money, right? But as soon as you do that, if you go to the withdrawal section of Tik Gain, you're going to see that the next time you withdraw, you have to make at least $100. Okay, so for me, there's a couple of red flags here. First of all, out of all of the research and all of the testing that I've done on other websites, anytime there is a threshold of $100, that is a massive red flag. And most of those things that I've reviewed ended up being not real. They were fake. Okay, because a legitimate make money style website, whether it's an ad watching platform or a GPT website or a survey website, usually the threshold is quite low. Usually the threshold is only $1 or $5. Maximum it's about $10. All right, because it does take a little bit of time. They don't pay you that much money. So in order for you to withdraw, they need to make it reasonable for you to be able to hit the threshold for you to actually withdraw your rewards, right? So anytime a website or an app has something that is $100 or $200, it doesn't make sense, okay? Industry standard, it just doesn't make sense, which is a red flag. The other thing is, why would they allow you to withdraw the first withdrawal at 1 cent and then the second withdrawal at $100. It doesn't make sense logically, all right? And the only reason why they would do that is so that they can basically get people to get their money, which is 1 cent, and they don't care. I mean, they'll pay out 1 cent every single day because they're making money from ads anyway, right? But once you withdraw that 1 cent, it makes you believe that, it makes you feel like, oh, this app is real and it's actually making me money. And then they ask you to leave them a 5-star review. That's why if you look at this particular, if you go to Google Play, you'll see that the reviews are pretty high. It's on average 4.4 star. And if you look at this, there's a lot of 5-star reviews. So the question is why are there so many 5-star reviews? Well, because a lot of people got their 1 cent and then they left a review saying that, oh, this app really pays. I got my 1 cent. That means it must be real, right? But it's kind of a trick, okay? Because if you look at the 1-star reviews, there's also a lot of 1-star reviews here, okay? Let's see how many 1-star reviews there are. It's in the thousands, all right, of 1-star reviews, and we'll go through them in a second, okay? But that's why they do that, okay? So quite a few red flags here, and the reality is that here's what's happening with Tik Gain, okay? If you log on to Tik Gain and you start watching videos, you can probably withdraw your 1 cent, all right? You're going to be able to get it because 1 cent doesn't cost them anything. It's just 1 cent. Who cares, right? You can pay that all day, every day. 1,000 1 cents. I mean, they're not really, spending that much money on that. But for them to really pay out $100 or more, if you go through the reviews, no one has actually gotten their money, okay? So I'm just going to show you right here. If you go to the Google Play Store, this first review here says, okay, despite watching the ads, it does not give coins. I watch it again and again. It still does not give coins. I gradually have been reduced to almost nothing. So that means initially, this person right here was making a lot of coins, but as they got closer to their $100 threshold, they started getting less and less coins because that's how the software is designed. It's designed to make you less coins so that it's more difficult for you to reach your $100 threshold goal so you can't withdraw, okay? Okay, so that's okay, but they make it difficult. They don't allow us to withdraw a lot of money, and that's the problem, okay? So look at this one, right? I got the 1 cent payout, no problem, because that's what happens, right? But the next payout threshold of $100, they reached that, but now it's been 2 weeks and they have not been able to withdraw their money. That's a problem, right? So that means that this person, they got their 1 cent straight away, but when they finally hit their $100 threshold, which probably took them quite a long time, they haven't been able to withdraw their money for 2 weeks. And it's very, very likely that they're not going to get the $100 because Tik Gain is not really, it's not a real app that's designed to really pay you out money, okay? Look at this one. I'm really surprised that the Play Store allowed this game. This game gives you a lot of coins when you start playing, but as you get closer to the limit, the coins you earn decrease significantly. Not only do I have to sit around watching useless ads and not get any benefits, but I also waste my phone battery and data. Watching ads is a waste of time. I will also advertise this game to my friends so that they don't install it, okay? So basically what's happening here is that they're basically tricking people essentially, all right? They're saying, hey, you watch some videos, we're going to pay you out money for it, and they do pay out the 1 cent so that they can get the 5-star ratings. But then once you go past that, they make it very difficult for you to hit your $100 threshold. But even the people that do spend hours and hours and days and weeks watching ads, making them money, and they get to the $100 threshold, they don't really pay out, and that's what it looks like, all right? And so if you're checking out Tik Gain, anytime there is an app where you watch ads or watch videos and they're paying you what seemingly a lot of money, for me, that's a huge red flag because the ones that I've reviewed that are 100% legitimate, they pay very little money. They don't pay anything as aggressive as these guys seem to pay out, okay? It's literally like you have to watch hundreds and hundreds of hours of videos just to make $1, okay? So for these guys to have a threshold of $100 and to also seemingly not pay out, which they haven't, that's a huge red flag. So here's what I would say. Just be careful of Tik Gain because I feel like an app like this where they overpromise but they underdeliver, and there are a lot of people that are not making, getting their payouts, and they're making more and more difficult for you to withdraw. There's just too many red flags here, and I just wouldn't waste my time is all right? So I would say just be careful with apps like this, okay? There are real apps where you can go out there and watch videos to get paid out, but you're literally getting, being paid pennies on the dollar. It's a tenth of a cent, a tenth of 1 cent for every 10 videos that you watch. And so, you know, it's going to take a very, very long time for you to make big money with these kind of apps. All right. So that's my review of Tik Gain. Again, just be careful with this particular app. I think that this one is definitely one that you probably shouldn't waste your time with. All right. Now, if you're here watching this video right now, on this channel, I've reviewed hundreds and hundreds of different ways to make money online. I've seen the good, the bad, and the ugly. And out of all of the strategies, the websites, the apps that I've tested to make money online, there was one strategy that I used to make full-time income and quit my full-time job. If you would like to check that strategy out, I document this entire process in my free masterclass. If you want to check it out, just click the link right below this video. I wish you all the best, and I will see you on the next one. Take care.